When the mind doesn't stop talking. Have you ever caught yourself replaying a conversation that ended hours ago? Or imagining every possible outcome before you've even taken the first step? That's overthinking, a habit that looks like caution but feels like chaos. It drains your energy, steals your focus, and blurs your intuition. But here's the truth. Your mind is not your enemy. It's a powerful tool that simply forgot who's in charge. Today, you'll learn 5 ways to quiet the noise, return to clarity, and use your mind instead of being used by it. Let's begin. Breathe your way back to the present. When thoughts start spiraling, the simplest rescue is the breath. Overthinking lies in the future and the past, never in the now. A deep, conscious breath brings you home to this moment. Try this. Inhale slowly for 4 counts. Hold for 2, and exhale for 6. Repeat 3 times. Notice how the body relaxes, how the noise softens. The mind follows where the breath goes. Each time you consciously breathe, you remind your nervous system that it's safe to rest, safe to stop solving problems that don't exist yet. Clarity begins in stillness, and stillness begins with one breath. Turn questions into decisions. Overthinking feeds on endless questioning. What if I fail? What if it doesn't work? What if they don't like me? But most questions don't need more thought, they need a decision. Decide to act. Decide to move. Decide to find out. Clarity doesn't appear before action. It appears because of it. Every step you take clears the fog a little more. When you find yourself stuck in mental loops, ask, what single choice can I make right now to move forward? Then make it. Confidence grows from progress, not from perfect plans. Action turns confusion into clarity faster than thinking ever will. Separate thoughts from truth. Not every thought deserves your belief. The mind throws ideas, fears, and memories like waves on a shore. Clarity comes when you realize you are the ocean, not the waves. When a stressful thought arises, don't fight it. Observe. Ask, is this absolutely true or just a mental story? Most overthinking fades when you stop giving imagination the power of fact. You can't stop the waves, but you can stop building castles out of them. Learn to watch thoughts pass like clouds instead of climbing inside everyone. Create mental boundaries through focus. Your attention is your most valuable currency. Whatever you spend it on grows stronger. Overthinkers accidentally fertilize worry by focusing on it. To reverse that, set clear boundaries for your mind. Choose one priority each day and give it full, undivided energy for a set time. Then stop. Don't chase 20 things halfway. Do one thing wholeheartedly. Clarity multiplies when focus narrows. The brain loves direction and relaxes when it knows where to go. So give it purpose, not panic. Practice the art of letting go. Sometimes clarity doesn't come from adding thoughts, but from releasing them. Letting go isn't weakness, it's wisdom. It's recognizing that you don't need to solve every problem or predict every outcome. Some answers only arrive when you stop demanding them. Try this nightly. Write down what's weighing on your mind. Then literally close the notebook and whisper, I've done my part. Now I'll let life handle the rest. You'll sleep lighter and often wake up with insights that forced thinking could never reach. Peace invites clarity the way still water reflects the sky. The calm within the storm. Overthinking doesn't disappear overnight. It quiets through awareness, one moment at a time. Each breath, each decision, each pause becomes a signal to your mind. I am in control now. Remember, the goal isn't to stop thinking. It's to think clearly, to let thoughts flow without drowning in them. When your mind learns to serve your peace instead of your fear, every decision becomes easier. The path ahead will still have challenges, but your clarity will be stronger than the chaos around you. And that's when life begins to feel effortless, because your inner world finally matches the peace you were always seeking.